Configuring custom ports in Windows 10 Mail. This video assumes you already have an existing email account and it's configured in Windows Mail. Now let's learn how to configure custom ports in Windows Mail. You may need to change the ports your configured mail account uses if, for example, changes are made on the server requiring the use of different ports. This video will show you how to change those ports in the event you ever have to. Click the Settings icon. Then click Manage Accounts. Select the email account you want to change the ports for, then click Change Mailbox Sync Settings. Click Advanced Mailbox Settings. To enter a custom port number, you simply have to put a colon after your existing server name, followed by the new port number, followed by :1. Let's force our outgoing email server to use port 465. Enter :465:1 after the server name. Note that the first number is the port number, and the 1 after the second colon denotes that it is to use SSL encryption. When finished, click Done, then click Save. That's it! We've successfully changed the port number for our outgoing email server. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to configure custom ports in Windows Mail.